Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make another mocktail, the classic mojito. Now this mocktail is super refreshing, really easy to make as well. I'm gonna leave the recipe in the description for you. All right, let's get to the ingredients first. All right, so for this mocktail we're gonna need simple syrup, club soda, fresh limes, and some fresh mint. All right, I'm gonna start adding 4 lime wedges into a mixing glass. Next, I'm gonna add 1 ounce of simple syrup. Now I'm gonna muddle it. Next, I'm gonna add some mint. Now I'm gonna add ice. Now I'm just gonna tap it out with club soda. Now I'm just gonna mix it a little bit. And we're ready to garnish. And that's how you make the virgin mojito. Alright, if you guys like the video, drop those likes. And if you want to learn how to make more mocktail like this, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. And as always, until the next one, cheers! Wow, that's so refreshing.